Hello, this very short video is to show you how to use the animation layer of Unity. So it's very basic. I will just use a cube with 3 different animation on it, but no character, no crazy animation. So it's very simple. So here I have a cube. This cube has no animation yet, but I have 3 animated clips here in my project. So what I'm going to do, I will just drag and drop these 3 clips on the cube. So the cube rotation, cube side, cube up. So I will show you later what it is. Now I can go to my animator and I will see these 3 clips, okay? And if I go to, we have cube rotation, cube side, cube up. So perhaps I can show you what they do. I will play. So here the animator is a classic animator that we use. We have action, animation, and we will decide, depending of some parameter or interaction, which one we will play, which animation we will play. So here we have the cube rotation. If I change the default layer and I select cube side, you will see it's just a translation, right, left. If I select this one, this is just up and down, okay? So I stop that. So here, 3 animation. So we will not use this system. What we want to do is to have these 3 animation in the same time with a system of layer. So it's very simple. I will go here on the left, you see you have layer. And by default, we work with a base layer. So I will just add more. I click on plus and I will put, for example, the rotation. Okay, I will create another one, up, down, and another one, sides. So I go back to my base layer. In this one, I have my 3 clips, but in rotation, nothing, up, down, nothing, side, nothing. So what I'm going to do, there is other way to do it, but I will just click on cube rotation, Control C or copy, okay? And here, paste. I select this one. So this is a side, copy, I go to side, paste. And this one, up, copy, I go to up, down, paste. So now we have this base layer who have the 3 animation. Actually, we don't need them anymore. I will remove them. And we have the layer rotation, the layer up, down, and the layer sides. So when I will play, they will all play in the same time, you will see. They will play in the animator, but not on the viewport yet. So here you see, if I go in base layer, nothing. If I go to rotation, I see is playing it, but nothing on screen. Up, down is also playing it. Side is also playing it. So now what I just need to do is their layer. I will just say, adjust the opacity or the weight of each layer. So for that, I go to rotation, I click here, and I will adjust the weight. So now I place this animation at 100%. I can go to up and down, same, I adjust the weight, and it will play it at 100%. And here, perhaps I will put this one to 0 just to show you. This one, as I say, the rotation is a rotation. Up, down, and side are both translation. So it means they animate the same channel of the object. So here, now, if I activate side, you see it will override up, down, okay? So it's a system of layer. The layer that is at the bottom, okay, will override the layers that are at the top. But what I can also do here for the side, if I go in the option, I can change the blending from override to additive. So what will happen, it's like the compositing software that perhaps you use or Photoshop. It will add this animation, not replace the other. So here, when you do that, it just put everything back to 0. I will put it back to 1. Okay. And now you see you have the two translation, the side one and up and down. And of course, I can go back to the rotation. Okay. So this is another way to have layers. If the layers are always at 100%, my advice is do your animation in Maya or in your DCC software and import it in one animation clip. But here, perhaps you will want to animate these values, the weight, to stop sometimes the rotation and to keep the other translation running. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.